Ever wondered what it feels like to have a falcon fly right over your ship? Hold on tight because you're about to find out. In the next few seconds, you'll witness an incredible aerial display. Falcons are known for their speed and agility. As they soar above, they scan the water for prey. With pinpoint accuracy, they dive for their target. These birds of prey are master hunters. Did you know they can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour during a dive? It's like witnessing a jet fighter in the wild. Imagine the thrill of seeing this up close. You can feel the power and precision in their every move. They're truly the kings of the sky. Like what you see, subscribe for more amazing wildlife moments. And don't forget to hit the like button!